Hi there, my name is Janet Gershensiegel, and I'm the Lonely Writer. This is serious social media help for the independent writer. That's the writer who does not yet have an agent. I am a master's degree candidate at Quinnipiac University, and this is my capstone project. Today I'm going to be talking about color theory, and specifically with reference to the color silver. Color theory is the study of how we feel about certain colors. Now, when we think of silver, and we also think of gray, but that'll be a separate video, what do we think of? Now, we might think of older person's hair, but not super old because then it's white. Silver foxes, and there's a bit of a connotation of later in life sexuality. The good family silver, the sort of stuff that's handed down from generation to generation. Old-fashioned silver fillings, silver mines, the Silver Surfer, the silver medal, which is the second place medal in the Olympics, and of course lockets, picture frames, that sort of thing. But color theory is more than just a laundry list of whatever has the color that we're thinking about. It's also, what does a color remind us of? Now, silver mining is pretty old. It goes back at least as far as ancient Greece. It's a good conductor, but it's rather expensive, so copper is a lot more likely to be used in electrical wiring. In culture, silver's electrical and thermal conductivity are the highest known, according to AustralianMinesAtlas.gov. The current top 3 producers are Mexico, Peru, and China, according to RSC.org. And Mexican silver jewelry is pretty well known. Very often it's made with turquoise as the stone. Some of the biggest silver mines these days are in Poland and Turkey, according to miningtechnology.com. For book covers, it's generally not used for book covers because, of course, it's rather expensive to do. But the Morgan Library does have a religious work in its collection dating to about 790 AD, so it's a very old work. And there's silver used on the cover. And if you're interested, check this out. It's at themorgan.org. Very interesting to see the use of silver as a book cover. But there don't seem to be any genres on Amazon where the bestsellers mainly have silver colored covers, obviously not the metal itself. But a search for the term does bring up thousands of hits on the site. Just because you're not seeing the metal or the actual color doesn't mean that it's not pervasive in book covers. It just doesn't seem to be coming up as the fashion for covers. Gray, of course, you'll see for 50 Shades of Grey, but you're not really seeing silver these days. Once again, this is Janet Gershensiegel for The Lonely Writer, because an independent writer never has to be alone. Thanks for listening.